Hello children, today let us see how to do quick subtraction by rounding off one of the digits given in subtraction. To do this type of subtraction, you have to follow some steps. Let us see what are those steps. First of all, round off the number to be subtracted to its nearest tens. The number which you have to subtract, you will round off that number. For example, if that number is 37, you will round it off to 40. If it is 29, you will round it off to 30, etc. Then you will add or subtract same number which you used for rounding off the second number to the first digit. And finally, you will be able to do simple subtraction and get your answer quickly. To understand this in a better way, let us see it using some examples. Now see here, subtract 92 minus 38. Here you are given 92 minus 38. So let us see how we will be subtracting it. First of all, you will round off the number to be subtracted. What is the number to be subtracted here? It is 38. So to round it off, we have to add 2 to it and it comes out to be 40. Okay. Now since you are adding 2 to 38, you will add 2 to 92 also. So what it is? 92 plus 2 minus 38 plus 2. Why did I add 2 to this? I added 2 to 38 so that you can make it a digit which is having 0 at one's place, and so it will be easy for you to subtract. You don't have to carry it then. Okay, you don't have to borrow. You don't have to borrow it from tens place. Now since I have added 2 here, I'll add 2 to this first digit also, and my number becomes 94 minus 40. Now this subtraction can be done in a very simple manner. 9 minus 4 minus 0 is 4, and 9 minus 4 is 5. So what is your answer? It comes out to be 54. And you can see we have done it in a more quicker way as compared to the conventional subtraction. Let us see some more methods, some more examples to understand it. Now see this, subtract 86 minus 57. Now first we will round it off so that its ones digit becomes 0. So for that we have to add 3 to it. 57 plus 3, it comes out to be 60. Okay, and since we will add 3 here, we will add 3 to the first digit also. So what it becomes? 86 plus 3 minus 57 plus 3. All this you have to do mentally. Okay, so 86 plus 3 is 89 minus 60. Again, very simple, 9 minus 0 is 9 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So you got your answer in a very quicker manner. So what to do? You have to do this mentally. You will add 3 to it, it becomes 60. Same 3 you will add here in the first digit also. So 86 plus 3, 89. 89 minus 60. One's digit will remain the same because it is 9 minus 0, and the tens digit 8 minus 6, it comes out to be 2, so it is 29. All this has to be done mentally. You have to think it in your mind and do it there itself. Okay, now see, let us see one more question of that type. 112 minus 65. Now here we can add or subtract, but you have to make a rule, either add or subtract. So since adding is easier, it's better to add. Now to round this 65 to 70, you have to add 5. You will add same 5 to 112 also. So 112 plus 5 minus 65 plus 5. Okay, so here adding 5 gives us 117 minus 70. So 7 minus 0 is 7, and taking the tens place, here it is 11 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 4. So what is your answer here? It is 47. Let's see one more question of this type. 56 minus 39. Now to round it off, you have to add 1. So what you will do, you will add 1 here also. So it becomes 57 minus 40, that is 7, and 1, 17. So what is your answer? 17. Practice and try to do all these steps mentally. The more you will practice, more you will get it, and you will see eventually you will start subtracting numbers mentally in a quicker manner. Okay children, all the best. Practice it and learn it properly. Thank you.